New at 4, 17 remaining Americans aboard a cruise ship at the center of that hantavirus outbreak that has all of us at least paying attention will return to the United States.
Yeah, Greg, there are now 13 total cases believed to be a rare strain of the infection that can transmit from human to human. 3 people aboard the ship have died. Channel 9 anchor Martha Sagowski joining us live here. And Martha, this has a lot of people worried.
So many people are talking about this. In fact, there have been multiple protests over the fact that the ship is returning to port. At all 7 Americans who previously got off the ship at an earlier stop are now being monitored. The luxury cruise ship with 140 people still on board is now expected to arrive in the Canary Islands over the weekend. White House officials are reassuring Americans they should not worry.
This is not a virus that spreads that easily. COVID spread very, very easily, and it spread even when you didn't have symptoms. None of that is true for hantavirus. So this is something that is going to kind of burn itself out in the upcoming weeks or months.
About 30 people from around the world, including here in the U.S., got off the ship and traveled to various destinations before contact tracing started. 7 people in at least 5 states from California to Georgia are being monitored, and so far, no symptoms have been reported. Spanish authorities report the U.S. government says it's prepared to send a plane for the 17 American passengers still on the ship.
It's very much, we hope, under control. It was the ship, and I think we're going to make a full report about it tomorrow. We have a lot of people, a lot of great people studying it. It should be fine. We hope.
Well, Spanish authorities saying today they are setting up a medical evacuation and a process for passengers to get back home. And unless their medical condition prevents it, all passengers will eventually head home back to their countries. But obviously everyone's talking about this and everyone is watching and waiting to see what happens, Greg.
Yeah, the mortality rate's 40% with hantavirus. More details now. The CDC is classifying the hantavirus outbreak with its lowest emergency level. That is according to a person involved in the situation who says that tier is number 3. That designation means the agency is assigning disease experts to lead the response along with other staff. We will closely monitor what the CDC calls a hantavirus cluster. We'll bring you any updates right here on Channel 9. Darlene?